A good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks, from the unreliable DJI Pocket 3. I'm not using it much at the moment because I've got a fault with it, but batteries run low on the GoPro, so got no choice. See how we get on. I'm at Lowestoft. It sounds like Lowestoft, but it's Lowestoft. I hope I've said it right. I'm at the bus station. I'm now going to have a walk around the town and look around the seafront. I've got my Sony with me, so hopefully I'll get some nice shots as well. And so I'm at the bus station. So as usual, like and subscribe. It's free to do that. We're going to have a nose round and see you in a bit. Follow me, folks. Follow me. Right. So this is coming into like the shopping area now. It's got the usual shops here: Superdrug, Trespass, Sue Rider over there. Quite windy. As we drove in, there was a main street, which I think's down there, so we'll head this way. We'll see in a bit. Yeah, so this is it's like a little shopping precinct here. Sometimes you get the security stop me and say, "Oi, you can't film me," but I seem to be all right. Anyway, we'll see you outside. Yeah, so this is the this main sort of shopping area by the looks of it. So we went through there on the bus, just there. It's going to swing you around. And now that's something you don't see very often. Not the WH Smith, but a Wimpy bar. They used to be all over the place. There used to be one in Jersey, which I'm off to Jersey in a few weeks, so look out for the videos there. Got the works there, 3. So I'm trying to head towards the ocean or sea. I don't know if I'm going the right way. There's no rush. I'm on holiday. Thanks for joining us. It's nice to be using the Pocket, but I must admit I normally be having the GoPro on my neck, which is quite your hands free, and felt it quite good for blogging. Anyway, we'll see in a bit. Right, this is Hughes's here. I did have one in Greenwich. I thought they went bust, but they must be doing all right at that shop. Timpson over there. So it's a lovely sunny day. It's a bit windy. I'm going to get the map and see. The wind's blowing. I'm sure I'm heading towards the right way, but I'll get the map out in a minute and check. Yeah, it's not too bad. So it's nice to come somewhere where I haven't been before and show other people who might come on holiday and want to have a look. Got CX over here. Again, I'm all right for stuff, so I'm not going to go in. Got the usual blanket boys, not the same the one in Spain. They're in the well, he's playing some music actually, that chap there. Well, he was going to, but he stopped. Taco Bell. You never know. I could be there for me lunch, but I'm not really hungry because the breakfast at the hotel really filled me up. There's the Joseph Conrad Weatherspoons there. It's quite a big one. That is. Just want to tilt you up. Yeah, it's a big one. Certainly got the wind blowing here. So I think I can see, I've got a feeling the ocean's that way. Maybe. Let me get me map to make sure. So we'll catch you in a bit. The British Railways over there, Lowestoft Central, and it's come round the corner here. I've put in to get me to the marina, so it's blowing a gale. This is the Waveney Road, got it right in the end. Obviously there's the marina just there, so we'll have a little walk round. Station Square, how do I know? Says it on the tin. Yeah, so I'm probably going to do a little Sony shot in a sec, so just find a position to get some views. I'll swing round here where I am. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up this way, but I'll find somewhere to do a few Sony shots now. Yeah, greetings folks, a nice little memorial here. I'll do a little pan round now. That's the Harbour Inn over there. That's a nice building there. I still haven't found anywhere where I'm going to use the Sony yet. It shouldn't be far away now. So yeah, I've just put, I haven't brought my drone today, but the winds are 34 mile an hour, so I wouldn't be able to fly the drone anyway today. But yeah, it's certainly blowy, but we're gonna hopefully switch to the Sony. I haven't brought my Speedos with me, so a swim's out, but this looks nice just here, so my kind of view. Yeah, lovely. Bang on. Bang on. Oh, let's get that Sony going. See you in a minute. Yeah, what I'm doing is I've got my DJI mic recording my audio for me. So very windy. I'll do a little pan round now. It's blowing me about a bit, but yeah, it's nice. Yeah, lovely. Yeah, just a little pan all the way around here. Yeah, hi folks, just getting my camera set up here for a low down shot. Lovely. Right, I'm going to try and get out the wind now. Hello world. Hope you're enjoying the clips. It's very windy. I've got my Sony, but it's inside my coat, so I have to take it under my coat every time I want to get it out. Anyway, that's another story. Join me in a bit out of the wind, and thanks for joining us, folks. Right, bit of information just here, and this is the South Pier, which says on the tin. So yeah, have a little walk round. Follow me, folks, follow me. Yeah, hello world. I'm out the wind at the moment. Well, thought I was. Yeah, it's blowing a gale, but oh, that was lucky. The pocket case, you can see it, fell out my skyrocket. Luckily, it's got a type of material that rattles. It's fell a few times. Anyway, be a bit more Sony in a minute. See you in a minute, folks. Yeah, another little pan round here. Certainly choppy. Choppy waters. Will be another Sony shot in a minute, but yeah. So I've got a couple of lifeboats here. I'm just going to poke through the fence here. But they'll catch her in a bit. Yeah, and don't walk too near there because that's where the water's blowing over. Just there if you want a shower. So, I must be mad. Trying to get out the wind and the spray. Right, that'll do. I'm going to do a bit of Sony work from here. So catch you in a bit. Yeah, if it's a bit shaky, it's because the wind's blowing me that much. Having a job to stand still here. So I'm just going to go across. There's something out there in the sea. I'm not sure what they are, but see if we can zoom across to them. There's two of them. I don't know what they are, holiday homes or what, but let me know in the description. It's certainly blowy. Yeah, my favourite bench is there, but can't get to them. Now, let's wait for these folks to go past. Yeah. Yeah, so this is Commercial Road. Bike parking there if you're interested. See if I can get across. Don't seem to be any traffic hold-ups. Anyway, join me a bit further along. So I'll see you in a bit, folks. Hello world. Well, I'm just heading back to get the bus to Great Yarmouth now, so I'm ending the video. So as usual, please like and subscribe. Check out all the videos from my holiday. I think I've done about 9 videos. I must be mad. I'm supposed to be on holiday. I know that some people complain about me editing, but it's just starting to rain now. I'm going to go in the shade here. But when you're doing so many, you can't spend too much time on the editing. I do my best, but I've got the top quality camera, so I'll try and get a good video, if anything else. So I hope you enjoyed all the videos. Please like and subscribe. Let's hope there's peace all around the world, and we'll see you all on the next video. So thanks for watching. Yeah, so let's hope there's peace. Thanks for watching all the videos. Next trip is Spain, so come and join me along on that one. See you all in a bit, folks, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and happy Easter.